staying alive. It's a new dawn, it's a new day. Some things are different, but nothing has changed. Still got my number, still got my name. Tell everybody I'm back in the game.
Before naging kami, we're friends sa work. So, ka-work mi sa Concentrics, which is Stream, so na, at 2016, I think. And then, since that's in Manila, so nagkaila-ila may same province.
Magang, meron akong gift sa inyo. Wow! Ramel, my best man, Jom, first groom, Charlie, yay! Ayuda.
Under the starlight, we'll find our way, I know.
In marriage, you are called not only to receive love, but to remain in love, even when it is difficult.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
So, starting from that, we become friends. And then there comes pandemic. Now, he started to court me. So, since pandemic, actually, it's online courting. And that time, binangan na ako siya og sugot-sugot. And then, seryoso na din siya sa iyang side.
Nagsimula lang sa chat. Kasi, siyempre, mahirap kasi si Joan, parang, alam mo na, boys. Unang ano ko sa kanya is, medyo may pagka-boy siya. So, nahirapan ako mag first move.
Hey, and this is for kami.
It's your love, I know, that gives me strength. Under the starlight, we'll find our way out.
When nag-reach kong 30, kung ako naman magiging single for life. So, I pray sa God na tagahan ko na ang partner in life. So, nung nagkailami or nag-birth siya sa ako, siguro muna niya siya signs ni God na bonus siya para niyo. So, and I'm so blessed. So, very blessed.
Love began as a gift. You did not create this love on your own. You received it. And today, you will receiving each other again. But today, as husband and wife. Today, we gather in the presence of God to witness a beautiful covenant of love. Marriage is not just a rite or ceremony. This is sacred vocation.
Okay, kay katong una, magpadungog-dungog naman ko na niya. Kay, we're at the right age na ba, kay 30 plus. Na, makita ko video sa TikTok nga, mag-propose. Niko, basta kung ako mag-propose, di ko ganda public. Ganahan ako nga, private try nga na. Then, parang December ito siya, gipukaw ko niya ba, ano siya, naki-gift, tas teddy bear. And then, nagkuha siya sing-sing. So, happy kay ko kay, hala, ano man eh. Tapos, doon niluhod siya. And then, I say, will you marry me? So, I'm so happy na niabot mi nga na ba ng nag-last among relationship.
5. Panalo. Basketball, volleyball, tennis, softball, baseball.
Actually, nag-start ng communication is doon pa sa Manila. Then we decided to go home. Ako sa Bacolod, siya dito sa Dumaguete. Then after that, hindi ko pa alam yung papuntang Dumaguete. So, since sincere naman yung feelings ko sa kanya, nag-effort ako na pumunta ng Dumaguete.
We see it now. The story comes together. Beauty lives in every chapter. We feel it now. Nothing could be better. You and me.
Of course, I promise to be more patient, open communication. So, if ever, pag nagtatampo, I'll try to say or explain kung bakit nagtatampo, ba't ako galit. Because I tend to keep quiet. I don't want to share kung bakit ako nagtatampo, ba't ako galit sa kanya. I just stay quiet.
I promise to do my best. Both of us, we can survive and be more faithful to God.